But a planet like, let's say, Jupiter का enemy कौन है? Venus, Mercury. If they are looking at Jupiter, they will weaken Jupiter. So if they are in opposite houses, they will make Jupiter weak. On the other hand, if a planet like Saturn looks at Jupiter, he won't impact Jupiter because Jupiter and Saturn are neutral to each other. They're neither friends nor enemies. So this rule is very important. बहुत important है ये. Saturn owns two signs. The sign of Capricorn and the sign of Aquarius. So if your zodiac sign is Capricorn or Aquarius, you are run by Saturn. Shani आपका ruling lord है. Shani will control your life. I'll explain why Shani is important. Jupiter is the planet of fat.
Okay.
Saturn is the planet of muscle. जितने हम diseases देखते हैं muscular degeneration के, they're all because of weak Saturn. If you want to take part in sports, you want to be a good athlete, you must have a strong Saturn. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Saturn is also, because he takes 30 years to move, he also goes retrograde. और जब retrograde जाता है, बहुत लंबे time के लिए retrograde रहता है. He goes retrograde every 20 months and he stays retrograde for about 20 weeks.
In every 20 months for
No.
20 weeks.
In every 20 months for 20 weeks. So 12 months is retrograde about once every 12 months. Or once every 20, depends on where he is in the orbit. But once every 12 months के लिए, let's say he goes retrograde for 20 weeks. He's going to take a total of 30 years to finish his sign. जब शनि पे आता है कुंडली में, which is Saturn is transiting your Saturn, it indicates a new beginning in your life. Something different will happen. Some path you will choose which is going to be different. कभी कभी होता है ये 50 की एज पे धार्मिक बन गए, होता है कि ये 35 की एज पे he started a company. That little spark that comes in your life that changes is Saturn on Saturn. Saturn is not just the planet of muscle. Saturn is the planet of hard work. Life में अगर कुछ achieve करना है, कुछ hard work करना है, dedication चाहिए, passion चाहिए, discipline चाहिए, that is Saturn. Two examples of Saturn I'm going to give you. One is a farmer and one is a sadhu.
Okay.
What is common between both of them? One, they are both lean looking. You will never see a very fat farmer and you will never see a very fat real sadhu.
Yeah.
They are generally skinny, muscular people because Saturn gives muscle. Saturn, look at a farmer and look at a sadhu, let's say in the Himalayas, they're typically generally dark skinned also because Saturn gives you darker skin, darker complexion.
Oh.
You are working very hard growing your crops. You're working very hard praying to God. But end result आपको नहीं पता. बारिश आके crops को destroy करेगी. Some pollutant will come, some insects will come. They will destroy your plants or you will have a good crop with which you can feed families. Same. Sadhu जब pray कर रहे हैं, they don't know if they're going to see God. Nobody has a clue.
Yeah.
So Saturn is the planet that makes you work very hard without an end goal.
Wow. That was a great comparison.
Saturn is very, very important. जितने लोग hard work करते हैं, it is Saturn. If you have weak Saturn, you're not going to work hard no matter what you do, no matter what you try. You're not going to accomplish much in life unless luck favors you. So Saturn is the planet of discipline. He's the planet of hard work. बहुत slow move करता है. Saturn is also the planet, when you envision Saturn, he's like an old man with a walking stick and a limp.
Okay.
जो old आदमी है, he's still alive. Saturn is important because आपको life देता है. The length of your life is determined by Saturn. If your Saturn is weak, your life, the length of your life is questionable. कारक है life का.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, what is Saturn?
Saturn is कारक of 12th house, which is moksha. People who want to accomplish that in life, that is Saturn. So remember one thing, Saturn वो planet है जो birth chart में आपको obstacles देगा, जो delay देगा. But he makes sure that if you work for something and you get that thing, you will be successful in life. हमने ये बात की थी last week.
Yeah.
So we're just going to revisit that and then we'll jump quickly to the houses of Saturn and what Saturn can do. So remember one thing, you want to have a good Saturn. Property is run by Saturn. अगर आपका घर है, it's because of your Saturn. अगर Saturn आपका retrograde है कुंडली में, घर लेट आएगा. Why? Because retrograde means appears to moving backwards.
Backwards.
A planet like Mars, Saturn, जब retrograde होते हैं, they become more dangerous. They become more, what is the right word? They'll become more difficult to deal with. They will give you.
Delayed.
They will give you delay, but if you work hard, they'll give you more than what anybody else has. So if you don't have a house and you have a retrograde Saturn, you will get a house bigger than anybody else, but late in life.
Late आएगा. Okay.
तो लाइफ में इतना याद रखना, आए तो अच्छी बात है, लेट आए तो भी अच्छी बात है, आना जरूरी है. That's what you have to understand. You must study Saturn in detail because Saturn is the planet that will give you everything you want in life and more, but with struggle. Disease भी देता है.
Oh yeah.
When we study disease, we study Saturn. Last week, I think I said Saturn is also a separative planet. When we open a kundli, we have to see, let's say we are talking about marriage.
Okay.
We must study 7th house. We must study the Karak of the 7th house. We must study the Lord of the 7th house. But if we study the aspect of a particular planet, अगर उस 7वें घर पे we have the aspect of Rahu Ketu, the Lord of the 12th house or Saturn, it is called separation effect.
Okay.
If 2 or more of these planets hit a house, they will cause separation. And if we study this chart from the ascendant and from the moon, and दोनों में separative effect देखा, we can almost conclude this person will split from their partner. Same way, if we see separative effect on children, you will lose your children. Whether you lose them at birth, whether you lose them at a later stage in life, or whether they stop talking to you, that will happen. Separation effect is Saturn. जितने लोग, those people who have mental instability, it's primarily Rahu and Moon, but they have an aspect of Saturn on it. So Saturn needs to be taken seriously. If your Saturn is weak, make it strong. You must, but at least you can work hard, you can focus, you can accomplish in life, you can get the property in life you want. At the same time, if your Saturn is overly strong, वो भी problem हो सकता है. वो जहाँ जहाँ देखेगा, he may not do good, depends on his dignity. There is a misconception in astrology. काफी लोग कहते हैं कि 9th lord है, जहाँ देखता है अच्छा करता है. That's not true. It depends on his dignity. Dignity is वो किसके घर में बैठा है? Is it his own house? And is he also in a friendly sign or unfriendly sign, and how strong he is? If Saturn is in bad dignity, वो देगा, बहुत struggle के बाद देगा. At some point of time, you'll break down and say, this is not worth it. That's when Saturn will say, okay, दे देते हैं. It's like finding something in your house. You're finding a needle in a haystack. You could go for years and you'll say, nahi mila, and finally you find it. That's what Saturn does.
Okay. So as you're saying that Saturn is so important and अच्छा भी करता है बुरे के साथ में, of course. But what I think that was the first thing astrology में जो हम सुनते हैं, that Saturn is the scary planet. Like अगर आपकी कुंडली में शनि की दशा आई है, so then तो आपको कोई नहीं बचा सकता kind of prediction it happens. With Rahu Ketu, I think Saturn is also one of those.
So Rahu is like Saturn. Ketu is like Mars. In astrology, when you study Rahu, you have to understand Rahu acts like the planet Saturn, the house it sits in and the planets it sits with. But Saturn is always Saturn. No matter what, Saturn can never, no matter what anybody says, आपका शनि अच्छा है, फिर भी देगा, लेकिन struggle के बाद देगा. There is no such thing as your Saturn is so strong, वो आपको ऐसे ही दे देगा. Saturn teaches you a lesson.
तो शनि की दशा is not always bad.
No, not at all. In fact, शनि की दशा, मुझे तो लगता है कोई planet की दशा खराब नहीं होती.
So then why such build-up of Saturn, इतना वक्र planet?
It's a way of looking at it, because first of all, Saturn is the opposite of your soul, right? The soul doesn't want to work that hard, and Saturn will force you to work hard. देखिए, life में nothing comes easy. Everything takes time. Saturn makes you understand that. Saturn tells you, you have to. अभी पिछले ज़माने people couldn't have kids. They gave up. They would adopt kids. Now you have IVF. You have all these treatments. What is that? Saturn looking one way or the other at that house and saying, हम नहीं देंगे. Saturn is a sterile planet. वो जिस घर के ऊपर जाता है उस घर में स्ट्रेस देता है. अगर शनि आपके 10th हाउस पे आया है, that's your house of career, no matter what anybody says, oh, he's 9th lord, अच्छा देगा. No, he's going to give you stress at work. He may give you promotion, but stress दे के promotion देगा. हो सकता है promotion मिले, जो job मिलेगा उसमें stress होगा. So the important thing is Saturn कहाँ बैठा है, क्योंकि एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हम कहते हैं जहां सैटर्न बैठता है दैट हाउस बिकम्स द लॉ. वो जहां बैठता है, he says okay, this is unfinished karma, you must fulfill this karma in this birth. If it is in your ninth house, you must focus more on spirituality in this birth. If he is more on your 10th house, you must focus more on your career in this house. If he is on your 7th house, you must focus more on your partner in your life. वो लॉ बना देता है. You must do it. अगर रेट्रोग्रेड है तो इट्स इवन मोर सीरियस. सो टेक शनि सीरियसली. ही इज अ गुड प्लैनेट.
जी.
देगा, स्ट्रगल के बाद देगा, बट देता तो है.
So when you see a strong Saturn in somebody's horoscope, so उनकी probable profession और career choices क्या होंगे?
So generally I would say good profession, anything hardworking,
Okay.
construction, farming,
Even farming.
agriculture, building something with buildings, land, those architects. That's a very good Saturn business. Another good business would be go buy real estate, buy land. Saturn is that for that. We have contractors. We have anything to do with metal, builders. Basically anything जिसमें आपको हाथ यूज करने पड़े and just hard work and struggle.
मेहनत.
मेहनत करनी पड़े. That is Saturn.
And what if somebody has a weak Saturn in their kundali?
That's a problem.
Okay.
A weak Saturn in your kundali doesn't necessarily mean आप हाथ से काम नहीं करोगे. It also means that you are going to maybe not have a very long life because कारक है वो.
Yes. you
It
said
also
that.
means that you are not focused on what you are doing. You may not have the property you deserve in life. You may not have the partner spouse because Saturn is also the karak that is sitting directional strength in your 7th house. You must fix your Saturn.
So are there any remedies recommended?
We always recommend remedies, but fixing Saturn becomes a little risky.
Okay.
So one way is let's boost Saturn directly. अगर वो नहीं होता then let's boost Saturn's friends. Who are Saturn's friends? Venus, Mercury.
Yeah.
ये friends हैं. They will boost Venus. If
Even
these
Jupiter you said is a neutral,
वो neutral है.
but not friend.
Not friend.
Okay.
If Jupiter is sitting in the same house, sure, he will delight Saturn. उसे हम लज्जतारी अवस्था कहते हैं. But in general, making Saturn strong becomes tricky. Many astrologers say नीलम पहन लो. Might not be the solution for you. Some astrologers say शनि को तेल दे दो every Saturday. But in general, my
But tail is a general remedy, I think. बेचारे शनि भगवान पे तेल ही चढ़ाते रहते हैं सब लोग.
there are some temples that are dedicated to Shani Bhagwan that only open on Saturdays. My suggestion is do something for humans as opposed to doing something like putting tail on Shani Bhagwan. Saturn is considered a blind planet, so go and donate something to a blind organization. Go online, find a blind institute and donate some money there. Go feed blind people. Go donate something black to an orphanage. These are things you can do to appease Saturn. So what I'm trying to say is instead of, putting tail, go feed people.
That is
काली दाल दे दो किसी
no, that
को.
is a very good idea. In fact, that's I think the more applicable kind of solution.
I don't know if this is right or wrong. हमारे opinion में it makes sense. Instead of putting mustard oil on Shani Bhagwan, go donate black dal in a temple. Go donate black dal in Gurdwara church. Go, like I said, Saturn blind है, so go donate to a blind institute. Help the needy.
Yes,
Help any needy person. That is what Saturn wants you to do.
definitely makes sense. So this is the time we are opening our phone lines. If you are listening to us right now, Dr. Saket Bhatia is right here in the studio with us. The Saket Bhatia Astrology Show सुन रहे हैं आप. अभी कॉल कर सकते हैं अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आपका एस्ट्रोलॉजी या न्यूमरोलॉजी से रिलेटेड. 510-770-1550, that's the studio line number. 510-770-1550. We are talking about Saturn today, but if you have any question, anything related to you or your loved one, you can definitely give us a call. अगर आप डायरेक्ट बात करना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर साकिब भाटिया से, you want to make an appointment, 408-639-5300 is the number. 408-639-5300, or you can visit his website for all the information. It's saketbhatia.com. Once again, website है saketbhatia.com. We have couple of calls.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to know how my Saturn Mahabharata is going to be.
What is your name?
I'm Sam. 29th November 74.
November 1974. And what is the month?
November 1974, 29th.
29th. Okay, so you're born on Friday. Where are you born?
2:20 a.m. at Chennai.
2:20 a.m. in Chennai. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I have your chart open. Your life is run by Mercury. You're a Virgo ascendant. Mercury is very well placed in your third house. Mercury, Sun, Rahu, Venus. You're still running Jupiter Dasha, correct?
Okay.
Your Saturn Mahadasha will start in 2029. इस कुंडली के लिए, for this particular kundli, Saturn is lord of 5th house and 6th house. Let me tell you something. Saturn owns the sign of Capricorn and Aquarius, right? But Saturn's Mool Trikon is Aquarius, correct?
Hmm?
So Saturn will give double the results he's supposed to give in the sign of Aquarius as opposed to Capricorn. I can safely say, looking at the dignity of your Saturn, he is neutral dignity. He is retrograde. In your Navam's chart, he is in Taurus, so he is still strong. Directional strength hai planet ki, and the Shadbala is 1.24. I can say that 2029 through 2048, so the first 10 years of your life, the 2029 to 2039 will be actually very good for you. You will definitely have good luck, good fortune, everything good. I worry about what happens after 2039. Saturn, although it is the 5th lord and the 6th lord, he is going to promote disease because he is the 6th house lord. Correct? You have to watch, especially Saturn Sun Dasha, which is going to come in 2039. Sun and Saturn are 6 houses away. They represent disease. Correct? Sun is also the house of loss, the 12th house. Be very careful 2039, January 14th to January 27th. That Dasha might be tricky for you. If you get through that, great. The next Dasha, which is not very nice, is the Saturn Mars Dasha, 2041 to 2042. Other than that, that Dasha is not going to harm you at all. You might have health related problems. Full year 2039 or 2042 is the only time I see a problem. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your call. Listeners, if you're listening to us right now, you can also give us a call. Studio lines are open now. We have around 30 more minutes in the show. 510-770-1550. The studio line number, once again, 510-770-1550. We have next caller.
See, when a planet owns 2 houses,
जी.
he always gives different results for both houses. जिस house में उसके मूल त्रिकोण है, which is the house which is stronger, his results will always be more. For example, Margaret Thatcher, in her case, Saturn owned the 4th, not Saturn, which planet was that? It owned the 4th and it is Saturn, the 4th and the 5th house. But the 5th house is Aquarius, which happened to be stability, political stuff, luck. जब दशा आई, house was intact, but the political stuff took off. So remember, Mool Trikon sign is very important when you analyze a planet.
Sure. So, yes, we have another caller.
Sure.
Can we quickly? Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Good afternoon, Saket Bhatia. This is regarding my date of birth is 3rd August 1967, 10:20 a.m.
August 3rd,
In-
August 3rd, 1967,
Yes,
and the place
10:20 a.m.
and the place of birth.
Karnataka, Bangalore,
And this is for a male or female?
female.
Okay, so August 3rd, 1967, 10:20 in the morning in Bangalore.
That's right.
The reason we ask is because sometimes for a woman, it may make sense to study the chart from the moon ascendant. That's why we have to always
Okay.
see where the chart is stronger from. So in your
Okay.
case, yes, go on. What is your key question?
आपने शनि के बारे में बता रहे थे ना, so I believe my chart has strong Shani and wanted to know the progress in the job field and things like that.
So you're telling me your Shani is strong. देखिए इस चार्ट
I
के
don't
लिए
know.
no your शनि so you are also just like the previous caller, your life is also ruled by Mercury, Virgo. Mercury and Moon are two planets which are sitting in your career house. Mercury and Moon are not, Moon के लिए every planet is friendly, Mercury के लिए Moon is not that friendly. You have retrograde Saturn which sits in your 7th house. जब शनि 7वें घर में बैठता है, it's a good sign. 5th lord sitting in 7th. Sometimes it can cause some issues in marriage just because Saturn is a planet of stress. जहाँ बैठता है, he gives stress. He is sitting in your house of marriage. Your focus, your question is not related to marriage, it is related to job. Right?
Yeah.
So job में Shani is not going to impact you at all. Not in this कुंडली. Nothing at all. In this कुंडली अब दशा आपकी जो चल रही है, that is Mercury Moon. You're actually in a very lucky dasha right now. Very very lucky. What do you want to ask? You want to switch your job? You want new career? क्या करना है आपको?
प्रमोशन ऐसे मतलब हाँ स्विच भी देख सकते हैं या प्रमोशन नहीं मिल रहा है तो स्विच करना है क्या ऐसे.
Your good dasha started. Mercury is your ascendant lord. Moon is sitting in the house of career. Gains के
Okay.
you should get promotion. I don't know why you're not. Try. This dasha is ending 28th of July. It's very good for you. अगर ये नहीं भी खत्म होती है, इसके बाद जो दशा आएगी वो मर्क्यूरी मार्स की है, वो भी 5 है. You'll still have gains. Although Mars and Mercury are not friends, you have nothing to worry till 2025. Don't worry. You will get a promotion. अब नहीं मिलेगा तो जब जुपिटर ट्रांजिट में ऊपर आएगा तब मिलेगा. But you have to get a promotion. Easy as that.
When does transit कराएगा?
When does what?
Sorry, your voice is not clear. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, you said when the Jupiter transit happens, you will definitely get over. What time frame is that?
Your time has already started. Jupiter transit will happen in May 1st of next year. But this time is also wonderful for you. Don't worry. अच्छी time है. आपका Jupiter तो it's exalted. It's super strong in this chart. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, ji.
Bye.
Thank you so much for your call. Listeners, we have some more time in the show. If you are still holding on to your question, this is the time you can give us a call. Dr. Saket Bhatia, who is a PhD in astrology and he's also a numerologist, is right here in the Radio Zindagi studio. And if you have any question, he can definitely give you an answer. 510-770-1550 is the number. Or you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling 408-639-5300. We have another caller. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, Dr. Saket.
Hi.
I wanted to ask you about my mom.
Okay.
Her name is Amita Doshi.
Okay.
Date of birth is September 25, 1953, 4 a.m. In Gujarat, India.
Okay. Which place in Gujarat?
Surendra Nagar. I don't know if you know that name.
No, as long as we can put it in the chart.
Yeah, it's called Surendra Nagar.
Okay. Okay, we found it.
The question
Surendra
is-
Nagar. Okay.
Yes, the question is regarding her health. Is it going to be stable, or more health issues are going to come in her upcoming years?
So your mother, from what I understand, I'll just repeat because health becomes tricky. Anita in September 25th, 1953, 4 o'clock in the morning in Surendra Nagar, Gujarat, right?
Yeah, it's Amita. I don't know if the name matters.
No,
It's A-M-I-T-A.
no, name doesn't matter. See, at this point, your mother was born on, she was born on a Friday. Okay, the ruling planet for Friday is Venus. In this particular kundli, the ascendant is Leo. Leo is placed in the second house, which is the house of wealth values. For disease, we're going to study the seventh house, health wise, right? अभी health पे दशा चल रही है Jupiter Saturn की, and Saturn is the ruling lord of this dasha. So yes, you're going to have some health problems. The health problems will be there, but I expect things to get significantly better starting 24 July, which is not far, right? 2 महीने में
Yes, correct.
I think things are really going to dramatically improve for your mother. But
Okay.
2026 again Ketu Dasha will come, and Ketu is sitting with Galika Mandi, so that has to be taken very seriously. October 31st 2026 all the way down till 2027 October is going to be tough. Okay,
Okay. Okay. 26 to 27. Okay.
I don't see, some people could tell you that there is a Markesh Dasha second lord coming in 2024. It wouldn't impact, not in this chart. It's good enough.
Okay. Okay.
So
Thank you so much for your
just
time.
focus
Thank
till
you.
July, and after that focus next after 2026 October. Okay?
26. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Dr. Saket Bhatia is live with us. Listeners सुन रहे हैं the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show. Dr. Bhatia, who has a PhD in astrology and is a professional numerologist, and with over 25 years of experience, he combines the power of astrology and numerology to guide you through life's challenges. So if you would like to connect with him for any of your questions going on in your life, 408-639-5300 is the number, 408-639-5300, or do visit his website for all the information regarding him. The website is by the name saketbhatia.com. So we were talking about Saturn, and we did talk about the strong and the weak Saturn.
We should go to your favorite part, which is Saturn in different houses.
Okay.
We could talk about diseases caused by Saturn, but what disease would be caused? Stomach pain, cancer, cuts, bruise, loss of body parts, loss of limb, blindness, pancreatic cancer, blood cancer, brain tumor.
Oh my God. Let's move on to the houses. I'll go to that one.
So Saturn can do that to you.
Okay.
Saturn can cause that to you.
Okay.
Saturn in different houses. Now, this Saturn जो different घर में होता है, this study is incomplete without discussing the signs also. So remember, हम जो कह रहे हैं, this is 50% of the picture. The remaining 50% would be the sign. For example, in my sign, let's say Saturn sits in, assume, 9th house. And then assume that is Pisces. Assume, it's not, but then you have to study both to get a better picture. So let's understand the 50%. Saturn in the first house. हमने पहले भी कहा है, Saturn is a planet of working hard. So when Saturn comes in the first house, you will be working hard. Hard-working person, you generally don't know why you're working so hard, but you're working hard.
So, but the first house is of sun, right?
The first house is you.
Oh, you.
The
Okay.
Karak is sun.
Yeah, the Karak is
First house is you. आप बहुत काम करोगे. क्यों काम कर रहे हो ये पता नहीं.
वाह.
काम करते जाते हो. You're average looking person. You don't have the best looks. You don't have the best, personality, I would say. Right? Wealth आती है. Slowly आती है. बीमारियां भी आती है. Slowly आती है. Saturn तो देगा ना जहाँ बैठे है. He's the law. He says हम सब देंगे आपको. If however this happens to be in the signs of Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius or Pisces, then it will give you a longer life. And people tend to focus on themselves. ये hard work करते हैं लेकिन अपने लिए ही करते हैं, दूसरे के लिए नहीं करते. So they're always focused on their gains, their life, their materialistic as opposed to helping, which is okay. That is Saturn in the first house. Second house wealth है. जब Saturn वहाँ आता है बोलते हैं हम wealth देंगे आपको, हम बहुत देंगे, but slowly देंगे, steadily देंगे. You will learn to understand that wealth is important. It is hard to earn money and easy to lose money. So Saturn will make sure कि आपको जो फाइनेंशियल देता है वो इजीली नहीं देगा. डेट्स भी दे सकता है. He gives you popularity and fame. He gives you lack of family comfort. He causes disharmony. Saturn in the third house. Third house is your house of younger siblings. तो यहाँ पर he gives stress to your younger siblings. Third house is friends. He gives you a friend circle which is not much use to you. होते ना friends जो किस काम के नहीं होते. That is what Saturn in the third house will do. Third house is short travels, right? Short travels. Accidents होते हैं short travels में. That is caused by Saturn. There are some people who are constantly prone to some accident or the other. That is a very strong Saturn sitting in that house. But ये generally इनकी शक्ल अच्छी होती है. They are happy, go lucky. They like friends. They don't understand कि friends are not beneficial for them. But है, फिर भी friends हैं इनकी life में.
Okay.
Fourth house is important because वो mother का घर है. Fourth house में जब Saturn आता है, he promotes your profession. He promotes your property. But any ancestral property you've had, you end up losing that. Saturn in the 4th house.
Okay.
Saturn in the 4th house also gives ill health to the mother. Okay. And Saturn also causes education to suffer, basic education to suffer when he's in the 4th house. Obstacle hota hai. Remember, Saturn doesn't mean stop. He's not a full stop. He's a comma.
Delay. Yeah.
He's a comma. It's a comma mein sentence mein you have to stop and then
Pause,
continue.
brief pause. Yeah.
That is what Saturn does. Saturn is important. 5th house. ये तो बच्चों का घर है. So Saturn is a sterile planet. जब यहाँ आता है, he will deny you kids. He will also make sure कि अगर बच्चे हैं उनकी तबीयत खराब रहेगी.
Deny or delay?
Both.
Both.
Depends on who else is looking at him. If Saturn is retrograde in bad dignity, sitting on your 5th house, and उस पे ऊपर केतु है, which is denial, you won't have kids.
So you mentioned dignity more often, not degree.
Degree doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
No.
Oh, okay.
Degree is a concept. देखिए आपका ascendant जो है वो कोई भी डिग्री पे हो सकता है. It could be anywhere from 0 to 30. So degree, जिस डिग्री पे आपका ascendant है, any planet which is close to that degree becomes strong. Degree is only strong as a secondary aspect when you study. For example, in an odd sign, जो planet होता है, वो 0 degree पे weak है. Odd sign में. When he comes 0 to 5 degrees, he's still considered weak. 0 to 6. 6 to 12, he's operating at 25%. In an even sign, that same planet at 0 degrees will actually be stronger. So you have to understand degrees are a secondary aspect in astrology. Dignity is more important. Aspect is more important. Planetary friendship is more important.
Right.
As I'll be very frank with you, degrees are governed by the software. वो तो बता देते हैं कि क्या दिखा रहा है आपको. Okay. Now let's talk about 6th house. 6th house is house of enemies. So when Saturn comes here, he makes you get lots of enemies, but makes you win over them if you do the right things. Power, popularity देता है. Intellect देता है. Health may suffer. But because 6th house is also house of litigation and stuff, you might win some litigation after a long time.
Okay.
One of the things we do is we work with lots of attorneys in India who specialize, and this is me, we work with attorneys who specialize in the Supreme Court of India. One of the things we do is, what are the chances of this person winning? When is a good timing for this case?
Okay.
So I don't know if you know, but in India, almost 90+% of the cases are governed by astrology now. Yes.
Wow. That's
Or-
interesting.
Attorneys will not even take cases without looking at the charts of people.
Wow.
We work very closely with corporations in Japan. And I don't know if you know, but Japanese companies almost hire employees and high-level executives after looking at their birth charts. So
That
this
does
is,
make sense.
we do that. We do
That
that.
does make sense.
So Radio Zindagi is nice. It's a good channel, but a big core of what we do comes from helping organizations, institutions, companies,
Ji.
and attorneys that way.
Definitely. So we do have a couple of callers. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I wanted to check for my son. He was born on 2005,
2005?
2012.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Yeah, 2012,
Okay.
January 12.
Okay, January 12, 2012.
Yeah, I think he has his Saturn in 6th house or something.
Where was he born?
He was born in Pleasanton, California.
Pleasanton.
Okay, and what is his time of birth?
1:35 p.m. in the afternoon.
1:35 in the afternoon. Okay. And what is your question?
Question is, I think he has his Saturn in the 6th house. Will he be married?
January 12, 2012. 1:35 in the morning or afternoon? What did you say?
Afternoon.
1:35 in the afternoon.
Okay, afternoon. I can't hear you. It's so difficult. Okay, so yes, he does have Saturn in the 6th house. So what would you like to know?
So is it good or bad, or is he going to have a
See, for your son,
life?
Saturn is the 9th lord. In this particular chart, for Taurus ascendant, Venus is very well placed in the 9th house. I have seen this 10th house. I have seen this chart twice before at least. I know. Saturn is directly aspecting Sun, which is you. That is the only problem. such a strong Saturn is always considered good. Now, I was discussing just before you called, in the sixth house, Saturn actually gains wealth. They get success over enemies, they get power, they get popularity. They have good intellect. However, they will have struggles with their enemies. Enemies will always trouble them for life. And they might lose some lawsuits because of that. But overall, it's a very good placement. That is step number 1. Step number 2, we have to see what is the sign he's placed in. He's placed in Virgo. When Saturn is placed in Virgo, they have tall body. They have not good hair. They have good habits. But they are inclined to make money and focus less on other stuff in life. So while the focus is money, money, money in terms of Saturn, he will give, they will grow wealthy, they will suffer in terms of enemies. That's the only thing I can say in a quick note if you want to know what Saturn is. But this kid's Saturn Dasha is not even coming now. It's going to come in 2089. Till then, every Antardasha is going to be good. The first Antardasha that comes is Venus Saturn, which is 2025. So that's a good Dasha for this child. Saturn is a wonderful planet for him. Very good. Okay? Bye.
We have another caller.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thank you for holding.
Oh, yes. Sure. I just wanted to know if my son is going to get a job in the near future. He's looking for quite some time now.
Okay, what is your son's date of birth?
It's April 7, 1984.
April 7, 1984. Okay.
Yes. And he's applied several places, but we don't have any response yet. He keeps thinking that he's not going to get it, so he doesn't bother doing it.
Where was your son born?
San Francisco.
And what is his time of birth?
3:30. 3:35 a.m.
3:35 in the morning. Okay.
Yes.
Let's take a look at your son's chart.
Okay.
3:35 San Francisco, April 7th, 1984. So he's born on a Saturday.
Correct.
So looking at your son's chart, right?
Uh-huh.
He happens to be an Aquarius ascendant. In Vedic astrology, his sun is sitting in the house of money, which is Pisces. Venus is exalted there. That's always a good sign. What does your son do?
Okay.
What does he do?
Well, he manages a couple businesses, but he wants his own business as well, and he wants to do more work than what he's doing.
Okay.
He does like office work,
Okay. See, your son,
family.
for your son's particular chart, the planet that would govern his career would be Mars. And Mars is sitting in its own house and it's retrograde. A retrograde planet, I've told you, will cause delay. It has to cause delay. There is no... Jupiter is a planet which would cause expansion. He is currently aspecting your son's chart. I can safely say, looking at this chart, that the chance your son gets a job between now and let's say December of not December, but February of 2025 is almost 100%. There is no reason he won't get. Job he'll get. But he has a retrograde Saturn in the 9th house, which is delay in creativity, delay in everything. So remember one thing, your son will have his own business, but it will take time.
Okay.
His business is not going to take off overnight. It's going to take time. I know this. Saturn in 9th retrograde is going to cause delay. Nothing to worry.
Okay.
Nothing to worry.
But he'll be able to do it.
He will,
It's
but
just a matter
there'll be struggle. There has to be some struggle here. Yeah.
some struggle. Okay.
Okay.
And all right. And
The better phase will start in about 2033 for him. I don't see much in terms of money or anything else happening before 2033 unless you do something with his Saturn or you do something magical. Okay?
2033.
Yes,
Oh my goodness.
2033.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much to all the callers who called and asked the questions. You are listening to the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show. We just have 8 more minutes in the show. We won't be able to take any more calls, but you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly. 408-639-5300. That's the number. I understand that for the show you just need to have one question, but you can connect with him directly and you can ask as many questions as you can in the session. 408-639-5300. or look for the website saketbhatia.com for all the other information.
Saturn in the 7th house.
जी.
7th house is the house of Saturn. He gets directional strength, which means वहाँ देख के उसको strength मिलती है. So if Saturn were sitting in your first house, any yoga he was forming will be cancelled.
Okay.
Most astrologers don't know that. जब directional strength उल्टी होती है, planet योग नहीं देता.
Okay.
Many people have come to me and said, so and so astrologer told me मेरा ये योग है, but हो नहीं रहा. Then we look and we see that it's because another planet, which is a different lord, is aspecting it. I explained that concept. I don't remember last time if I did it here or on some other show. I very well said, if you have a brick wall, and you try running through it, you won't be able to.
Yes, you said that.
Same way you need a bulldozer. So make sure the planet is strong and it is not being blocked by any other thing. आप कुछ देखते हो phone आ रहे.
Callers.
We'll
But
take one call or two calls,
okay.
but we won't be able to do much after that.
Actually, the call got dropped.
ठीक है, then
Yeah.
we'll continue our conversation.
जी जी.
7th house में he gives a stable marriage, but he gives stress in married life. These are people who are so stressed, they want to leave, but they don't know if they should leave. They don't know if it's right to leave or not right to leave. And
So
that's,
they won't leave.
I hope life figures out the best thing for everybody. But generally इसमें बहुत trouble देता है शादी में. Most of the times they don't leave, they blame each other. Family की जो they're more political people when it comes to being in the house themselves. They don't look eye to eye. Very, very common. Financial strain होता है, mental harassment होता है, but टिकते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. You know, that's the beauty of Saturn. बैठ गया तो he says, I'm going to trouble.
That's beauty.
Yes, because he teaches you that in life you still have to struggle and you have to adapt. There are so many people who go through so much stuff in life and then they come back to harmony, na?
Yeah.
वो अच्छा रहता है. So that is that. 8th house. 8th house, not a good placement. Nice person, long life, but generally poor रहते हैं ये. इतने पैसे नहीं आते इनके पास. They have good careers. They struggle for life. They have disease of stomach. Female की chart में अगर Saturn 8th house में देखते हैं, that becomes an unromantic husband.
Okay.
So I think most women listening to this show will say, my husband has Saturn in the 8th
सबका
house.
8th house में.
सबका 8th house.
Undoubtedly.
9th house में it's the house of spirituality and luck. You're generally born in an average family, an average father, but you make good of it. इसमें एक चीज होती है साढ़े सती.
Yeah.
साढ़े सती जब आता है, then it causes danger to the life of the father. साढ़े सती हर 30 years में आता है. Now what is साढ़े सती? साढ़े सती is 7.5. When Saturn takes 2.5 years in a sign, तो हम आपकी कुंडली में मून देखते हैं. And we see where Saturn is 45 degrees
From the moon.
from the moon on one side and 45 degrees on the other side. To transit 90 degrees, Saturn is going to take 2.5 years.
Yeah.
7.5 years. वो साढ़े सती कहते हैं.
Okay.
But believe me, Saturn does not impact moon for 7.5 years. It cannot impact moon for 7.5 years. Modern astrologers like Basin or Dr. Charak or even I, we know कि साढ़े सती is not 7.5 years. In fact, जब Saturn moon के काफी close आता है, then the impact is felt. साढ़े सती was just an old concept, but after analyzing hundreds and thousands of charts, we can simply narrow that down to about 2 years. 1 year before the moon and 1 year after the moon.
Okay.
What does Sade Sati do? It gives you mental stress. Absolutely. What else? It stops your life. आप जहाँ हो आप वहीं रहोगे. You're not going to make some dramatic mission accomplishment in life. Sometimes it's good because reality check है. Sit, settle down, understand क्या हो रहा है and appreciate before you take the next step. Now, Manmohan Singh became Prime Minister in Sade Sati.
Wow.
Why? Because he was already there. It was just the next step. So remember one thing. There is no such thing as साढ़े सती आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा या साढ़े सती आपके लिए बुरा रहेगा. That is wrong. साढ़े सती सबका होता है. Saturn तो स्ट्रेस का प्लैनेट है. वो देगा. किसी किसी से लेगा, किसी किसी को देगा. किसी की बीमारी ले जाएगा. So you can't say it's a bad planet.
Oh.
किसी को पैसा दे जाएगा. You can't say that's a good planet. Maybe he's at the cost of something else. So first understand, when Saturn transits your moon for 2 years, that is your Sade Sati. Those 2 years are going to be emotionally stressful for you. That house it is in is going to be troublesome for you. बच्चे की सेहत हो सकती है up down. Wife के साथ you could have problems. Parents के साथ you could have some problems. Siblings के साथ. But that is what Sade Sati is going to do. So when that time comes, just sit, appreciate what you have and focus on starting something new, because जब 7.5 खत्म होता है, you will be able to do that.
जी.
Saturn in the 10th house, this is a unique placement. It basically brings you high in life and then throws you down.
Oh.
Fall from grace कहते हैं इसको. And that is very strong, Saturn in the 10th house. अगर 10th house Capricorn में Saturn बैठा है आपकी कुंडली में, and Saturn is in good dignity, he will rise you. Disgrace के साथ फेंक देगा नीचे. That is what Saturn does
In 10th house.
in 10th house. Gives you fame, popularity, सब होता है, but ले जाता है. Saturn in the 11th house. You will make your money day by day. You'll be popular. You'll get fame. You'll get false friends, false acquaintances. But overall, it will be very good. If you have Moon, even better. Conjunct. And Saturn in the 12th house. 12th house is the house of loss. Any planet जो यहाँ बैठता है, it loses its strength. It loses its energy except Venus. Venus and Rahu यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा देते हैं. They give you
Friendly planets.
Oh, they give you fame, luxury, everything. But 12th house में जब आता है Saturn, it gives you enemies. Gives you very difficult childhood. In fact, difficulty in old age, loss of wealth, separation from family, accidental losses, false acquisitions, unhappy married life, disease of the left foot, disease of the left eye. It's not a good placement.
Not at all.
We want Saturn to be in 3rd, 6th, 9th or 10th house.
Even first was fine.
First way I told you, not good looking. आप काम
But
करोगे,
hardworking.
but for what? ये नहीं पता आपको. तो यही था. We completed Saturn. Hopefully next week we can talk about something different, something better. We have to move along, but Saturn is important. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अटकन है, it is Saturn. उसको निकालने के लिए go to an astrologer. हम बताते हैं कि क्या अटक रहा है, क्यों अटक रहा है, कैसे अटक रहा है, कब तक अटकेगा और आप क्या कर सकते हो उसे हटाने के लिए.
तो अगर ऐसा सैटर्न कहीं अटका है, आपको लगता है इन योर हॉरोस्कोप, 4086395300 पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. Yes, that's the number where you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly. More than 25 years of experience in the field of astrology and numerology. He will be able to help you. 4086395300 or the website is saketbhatia.com for all the information. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, and listeners, have a good week ahead. Bye.
So guys, this is RJ Vedika signing off. Stay tuned to Radio Zindagi.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZDG